actually about to put together a little Valentine's Oreo cake that I had to make, so I thought I'd share the decoration with you. So I'm just gonna unwrap these and get them started. Put a little buttercream on here. I'm gonna put my thickest layer on the bottom just because as we stack this, it'll, get heavier, so we want the strongest layer down there. Normally I would put this with the flat side up, but I'm going to put it with the top up this time just because I want the Oreos that are baked into it evenly spaced through the cake.